I've never heard of Heteroblasty. Have you ever noticed that some plants, when they grow, the juvenile leaves are one particular shape, and then as it grows up, the leaves start changing on the exact same plant? Well, this is known as heteroblasty, and it's very, very natural for plants to adapt their leaves to the environment, to characteristics, but also as they change from juvenile to maturity. And that's the term they use botanically and in science, heteroblasty. I suppose some people would pronounce that slightly different, but that's how I do it. And there are so many plants that do it. When you grow a plant from seedling, like for example the acacias, the seedlings of an acacia, a wattle, are significantly different to the leaves of the mature plant. Another good example. A lot of our rainforest trees, when they're younger, such as this ivory curl flower, the leaves when they're young maximize sun interception for photosynthesis. So they increase their surface area to capture the sunlight. But as they mature, the leaves are at the full sun position, and therefore they do not need to increase the size because they become much more efficient as the plant increases in height and works through the jungle and through the forest and reaches the heights that it does need to. So the next time you're looking through your plants or walking through the forest, check out the variations that occur naturally in nature on these particular plants, and definitely keep a record in your mind, or if not, take a photo. Enjoy nature for what it does. It changes, it adapts, but also the plant itself does that change, that mutation, to suit the situation for that particular species. Heteroblasty, great word for today.